What's up, you guys? Jose here. In today's video, I'm gonna be going fishing with my friend. For me, it's gonna be my first time, but for him, he constantly goes. I came here to Walmart and I'm about to go get my license. So hopefully it's easy. This is literally my first time fishing, so I don't really know what I'm doing. So I just got my license. I got the 365-day sport fishing license. So far, my fishing endeavors has come out to about this much. I already got my fishing rod and the reel and the line. It's a hook. Pretty sure you could go with the even cheaper route of getting. I saw some rods here that were like a whole rod, the rod and the reel at like lower than what I paid through Amazon. And in the following clip, I should be showing you my setup and everything that I have. All right, we're here with DP.
Okay, so what I usually do when I fish is a drop shot. You have a hook. Pretty much, you have like your worm here, and then like you're gonna put like a weight down here, like 10 to 12 inches like this.
Yeah.
And then while you throw out your line, when you cast out, the weight will hit the floor, and then your worm's gonna be like floating, I guess. There's like a whole bunch of videos. So like
I didn't bring weights.
I have weights. Okay. I just ordered some. I usually use the Palomar knot.
Oh.
Have you seen all the knots on like
I've only
TikTok?
been seeing Palomar.
Yeah, Palomar is like the best one. Just pretty. Have you tried it?
Yeah. No, I haven't.
It's pretty much.
Lying.
I don't know if your camera's gonna see it, but you cross it over. Hold on, let me give myself some. You cross it over, like that. You see this loop that you made? You bring it through this loop right here. You bring it through. Now you have this loop.
Yeah.
You push your hook through there. I grab it like this, and I push everything up, and I just pull. And it makes
Which one are you pulling through?
All of them.
All of them?
Yeah. Let me show you all my cool shit. Oh yeah. It was like all my shit, dude. This is the one that I was talking to you about.
Jesus. Have you caught something with all of this?
No.
How much is this? Like at least 200?
We'll do the math. 40, 40, 20, 20. No, 15. So 30, 40, 70, 100, 120, like 150. About.
Dang.
Just in one box, bro.
You have more boxes?
Yeah.
Oh, that equals what I got.
These are the weights that we're gonna use.
Jesus. Let me see one.
Yeah. So that one's like 3/8 of an ounce, which is like my sweet spot, to be honest.
3/8. Is your goal to catch something with all of that, or?
Eventually, but I mean, like, there's like some days where like I'll just want to be like, oh, I'm just gonna fuck around and see what I catch with random shit. And then there's like some days where it's like I just want to catch something, you know?
Yeah.
If I want to catch something, it's for sure gonna be with a worm.
So these are all for just catching and releasing, huh? Are you allowed to eat them?
You could eat them if you want, but I mean,
actually,
not a lot of people keep bass. Bass are friends. They just like catch and release, just try to get the big ass fish, you know? Like they don't really catch to eat them. Your hook is good.
Yeah.
And then you have the weight.
You have to do another Palomar?
No, not with these.
Oh.
With these, let's see. It just depends on how much space you want from like the floor to your worm. I usually just eyeball it. I'm not like really picky with like, oh, it needs to be 12 inches, you know? Like around there is good. Like up here is too close.
Yeah.
Because they'll see the weight and the worm together. I mean, fish are stupid, but let me get you a worm.
You want to use some of mine? I have Senko or something like that.
Nah, I'd rather use these. You can switch it up. If you don't feel like you're catching anything with the Robo Worm, you can use a Senko. That's how I usually rig it. When your line is out and a fish bites your worm, you're gonna feel something like this. Look, you bring your line right here, you hold it, and then you open it. And then you throw out. I'm gonna do it with yours first. your hand right here,
Yeah.
and you just chuck it out. It doesn't really matter how you do it, to be honest. You just chuck it out. And then you see how it's still going?
Yeah.
It's because the weight's going down, and then it stops. That's usually when I stop. I usually just grab it like this so that it doesn't get tangled right here.
Yeah.
You kind of want to have it like straight like this. You like kind of play around with it, like you'll feel it like against the floor.
Yeah.
Like once you do it right now.
Oh,
There you go.
damn.
Yeah, that was a good one. So just let it drop a bit.
Uh-huh.
Not super long, but like a good amount, and then close it, and then reel it in. You see the line, how it's getting closer to where it's at?
Yeah.
Keep going, and then you see how it met?
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Right there, you should be good, but I like to do it a little tighter. So it's like kind of straight.
Yeah.
And then now all you gotta do is, exactly, all you gotta do is just play around with it. That's my favorite way to catch a fish because it's like almost guaranteed.
Mm-hmm. Yamamoto. Oh, that one looks good to me. Oh, you know why it's not working? I gotta do my I gotta do my fish call. Come here, fish.
Come here, fish.
Come here, fish. Come here, fish. Come here, fish.
Oh, they're coming now.
Yeah. You see them? I don't know if I got something.
Oh shit, you actually did. Tighten your drag,
Tighten it.
a little bit.
Oh.
Let's go.
How it feels to catch a fish.
Go crazy! Ah, go stupid! Ah, go!
I can't believe you actually caught a fish.
I just throw it in there.
You could throw it in, or if you want to be gentle, you could All right, that works too.
Let's go, fish number 1. How many have you caught in total?
Me?
Yeah.
I think like 15,
15? Jeez.
16 maybe,
16?
counting the one that I just caught on Monday.
That's still a lot.
My heaviest is 3 pounds.
3 pounds?